One pink wheel here. We're going to put new pedals on a mountain bike. These are Shimano SPD PD-M520 pedals. Nice thing about these pedals now is that you just need a 6 Allen wrench to put them on and off, and then a 3 to adjust the SPD spring on there for tightness on your cleats. There will be, on your new pedals, there will be, you can't probably see it, there's a small R on one. Let's put it on the right side there. Small R on one and a small L on the other to indicate which pedal the size is, and there's also a directional indicator for tighten on each of them also. Okay, so here I am removing the left pedal. This is the one that is reverse threaded. Hopefully, here's that where you put the Allen wrench in. Gotta go up. See if I can get it going. Ah, there we go. Alright, boom, and it's off. So let's put the left one on. Pedals on. Okay, here we are on the right pedal, removing it. And gotta come up. Yeah, there we go. Like that. And now it's removed. And we put the new one on. Alright, all tight. Okay, so here's how you tighten and loosen. Take your number 3 Allen wrench, and on each side of the pedal, see there's a little plus and a minus by this. This is your tightening screw. So if they're too tight, you turn them towards the minus. Like yay. They're too loose, and you turn them towards the plus. Just make sure that you count your number of rotations or quarter rotations or half rotations and do the same on each side. That way it's the same tightness on each side. Okay, now for the cleats, what you want to do is take your insert out, and then you've got, probably can't see in there too well, but that's where the screws come through. This is a number 4 Allen. And just take your old ones off. I've got a little plate in mine. Is there? Okay, so for the new one, put your plate back in. There should be a little groove in there. Hold it with one hand, so there you go, got that. And then, okay, so you got your plate in. Put that with the pointy end forward. Put this little thing there. And then get your screw. You're just starting, you're just trying to get it threaded so it can move around a little bit. There we go. And then you can kind of slide it back and forth, however, right in the middle, and then tighten it up as tight as you can, because you don't want this coming loose while you're riding. And you may even want to put some thread locker on them so they don't come loose. I've had them come loose before.